There's more trouble at the SBI crime lab.
Lawmakers mandated new testing and certification for SBI analysts to improve the agency's reputation after a mishandled DNA scandal just 2 years ago.
That's right, and now district attorneys have learned that numerous analysts failed the exams, but the DAs were never told.
News 13's Frank Faboni joins us with a potential impact on local cases. Frank?
Well, district attorneys are now reviewing lots of cases involving these analysts that they know failed the exams. Already one local convicted drug dealer has been freed after filing a motion for a new trial. Derek Eddings was arrested last November. Undercover narcotics officers picked him up in Asheville outside his home after getting a tip. He was convicted last week for trafficking cocaine. Now he's free on bail, requesting a new trial because an SBI analyst in his case failed a certification exam.
The issue that we're having to deal with is some tests that were given to various people who work in the lab 6 or 7 months ago. And the issues revolve around the fact that we had not been told anything about how people did on the test.
Buncombe County District Attorney Ron Moore learned about analysts failing exams early last week.
So as we find out who those people are, we have to look at the cases they may have been involved in to see what the impact is. And we're also required under the law, under the Supreme Court cases, to turn that over to the defense.
That means Eddings' case may be just the tip of the iceberg. Moore filed this motion yesterday asking a judge to force the SBI to release the testing information. He asserts the state crime lab had known for months that many of their analysts had not passed the certification exams, but failed to inform DAs, claiming the results were protected under the Personnel Privacy Act.
There have been hundreds and thousands of cases in this county and statewide dealt with since these tests were given back in December and results revealed late December, early January. So there are cases all over the state we're going to be looking at. We don't know the impact yet.
Moore says he's now forced to review hundreds of cases that'll take manpower and hours. The crime lab's director says he intended to alert district attorneys back in January, but mistakenly failed to send that letter. A hearing on Moore's motion is set for June 26th.